Welcome to all in the series of class 12th of physical education unit 2 sports and nutrition. Today we will discuss on the vitamin part 1. In that part we will discuss about the vitamin and its type. And vitamins, as you know, it's a complex compound of the carbon and important for the normal working of the body. Vitamins are required in a very small amount in our body. They are not provided the energy, but it is very helpful to maintain or repair our various tissues of the body. It is important for metabolism of fat and carbohydrates. So if there is a lacking of the vitamins in our body, then that is called the deficiency diseases. As you know, there are 13 vitamins are required in our body, but important vitamins are among them vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. So mostly vitamin we have to obtain from the food, but vitamin D and vitamin K we are not taking from the food because it produces our body itself. So there are two types of the vitamins. Number one is fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin we have to discuss in part 1, and next part like water soluble vitamin we will discuss about the next part in part 2. So fat soluble vitamin, they are soluble in fat. They come into our body through fat. They are stored in the liver and fatty tissues of the body. Like that, vitamin A, D, E and K. Vitamin A, it is called retinol. It's need for normal growth and development of an individual. Deficiency of this causes night blindness disease has happened in the individual. Night blindness means the person is not able to see in the light or in dim light. So sources from the milk, butter, egg and from the green vegetables we have to take vitamin A. Just like vitamin D, it is important for the formation of the strong bones and teeth of an individual. It is known as sunshine vitamin because it is provided by the sun or through sunlight. That's why it is called the sunshine vitamin also. Lack of this causes rickets disease has happened in the individual. In this rickets, bones of child has deformed, means it is not working properly. And we can get vitamin D from the sunlight and through the sun, and from the green vegetables, vitamin C also, because vitamin D has deformed through the sunlight very soon. Next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E is important to protect the cell membrane and act as an antioxidant for our body. And we can get vitamin E from the grain nuts and from the green vegetables also. Next one is vitamin K. Vitamin K is helpful in blood clotting and healed wounds. We can get vitamin K from the cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, or through the green vegetables we have to get vitamin K also. So this is the brief details of the vitamin in part A. Thank you.